Ever felt like you're juggling a million things when trying to close a deal? Tracking emails, scheduling follow-ups, remembering key details. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. And what if I told you there's a tool within HubSpot that can streamline this entire process, giving you back precious time and boosting your close rate? I'm talking about the HubSpot Deals tool. But what exactly is the purpose of this powerful feature? That's what we're diving into today. Think about your sales process for a second. It's rarely a straight line from initial contact to closed one. There are stages, right? Prospecting, qualifying, presenting, negotiating, closing. Each stage requires different actions and information. Without a structured way to manage these stages, things can get messy, and deals can slip through the cracks. That's where the HubSpot Deals tool comes in. It provides a visual and organized way to manage your sales pipeline, keeping everything in one place and ensuring nothing gets forgotten. So, let's break down the core purposes of the HubSpot Deals tool. First and foremost, it's about organization. Imagine a world where all your deal information, contact details, associated companies, deal value, close date, communication history, is neatly organized and easily accessible. No more frantic searching through emails or spreadsheets. The Deals tool acts as your central hub for all deal-related information, providing a clear overview of your entire sales pipeline. This organization is crucial for staying on top of your deals and prioritizing your efforts effectively. Beyond simple organization, the Deals tool is about visibility. It gives you a bird's-eye view of your sales process. You can see at a glance how many deals you have in each stage, their projected value, and their likelihood of closing. This visibility is invaluable for sales managers who need to track team performance and identify potential bottlenecks. But it's also incredibly useful for individual sales reps, allowing them to prioritize their activities and focus on the deals that are most likely to convert. Another key purpose is forecasting. By tracking your deals in the Deals tool, you can generate accurate sales forecasts. Based on the stage of your deals and their historical close rates, HubSpot can predict your future revenue. This information is essential for budgeting, resource allocation, and overall business planning. Accurate forecasting allows you to make informed decisions and set realistic sales targets. The Deals tool also plays a critical role in automation. You can automate various tasks within the tool, saving you time and effort. For example, you can set up workflows to automatically send follow-up emails, create tasks, or update deal stages based on specific triggers. This automation not only streamlines your sales process but also ensures consistency and reduces the risk of human error. Imagine automatically sending a thank you email after a demo or creating a task to follow up with a prospect a week after sending a proposal. These small automations can make a big difference in your overall efficiency. Furthermore, the Deals tool facilitates collaboration. Sales teams can work together on deals, sharing information and updates seamlessly. This is particularly important for complex deals that involve multiple team members. The Deals tool provides a shared platform for everyone to stay informed and aligned, ensuring that no information is lost or duplicated. This improved collaboration can lead to faster deal cycles and higher win rates. Now, let's talk about reporting and analysis. The Deals tool provides a wealth of data that you can use to analyze your sales performance. You can generate reports on various metrics, such as deal velocity, win rate, average deal size, and sales cycle length. This data can help you identify trends, understand what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your sales process. For example, you might discover that deals in a certain stage are stalling, prompting you to investigate the cause and implement corrective measures. Beyond these core purposes, the HubSpot Deals tool integrates seamlessly with other HubSpot tools, such as the CRM and Marketing Hub. This integration allows you to get a holistic view of your customers and their interactions with your company. For example, you can see all the emails a prospect has opened, the pages they've visited on your website, and the marketing materials they've downloaded, all within the context of their deal. This comprehensive view allows you to personalize your communication and tailor your sales approach to each individual prospect. Let's illustrate with a quick example. Imagine you're selling software. A prospect downloads a white paper from your website, indicating interest in your product. This action can trigger a workflow in HubSpot to create a new deal in the Deals tool, automatically assigning it to the appropriate sales rep. The sales rep can then use the Deals tool to track their interactions with the prospect, schedule follow-up calls, and send relevant materials. As the deal progresses through the various stages, from qualification to proposal to negotiation, the sales rep can update the deal stage in the Deals tool, keeping everything organized and visible. Throughout the process, HubSpot can track the prospect's engagement with your website and marketing materials, providing valuable insights to the sales rep. So, to recap, the purpose of the HubSpot Deals tool is multifaceted. It's about organization, keeping all deal information in one central location. Visibility, providing a clear overview of your sales pipeline. Forecasting, generating accurate sales forecasts. Automation, streamlining your sales process through automated tasks. Collaboration, facilitating teamwork on deals. Reporting and analysis, providing data-driven insights into your sales performance. Integration, connecting with other HubSpot tools for a holistic view of your customers. By leveraging the power of the HubSpot Deals tool, you can transform your sales process, improve your efficiency, and ultimately, close more deals. It's more than just a tool. It's your partner in sales success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.